If you want to discuss, read, or print this topic, we have it at malwarefixes.com. To visit our website, simply click on the link in the description below. Otherwise, please stay here to continue watching. ProtectedScans.com is another scam website that disguises as an online virus scanner. It pretends to have detected a virus on the computer, but failed to remove it due to an expired subscription. In the end, ProtectedScans.com misleads the web users to pay for the activation of the antivirus software. To get rid of the ProtectedScans.com pop-up ads, please follow our procedures here or on our website. It is essential to run a security program on the computer because these pop-ups frequently signal the existence of more serious malware or possibly dangerous files that are still on the system. Making sure that all traces of the original threats are removed is much easier with a comprehensive scan. For this matter, we recommend scanning the computer with Combo Cleaner, an effective antivirus and system cleaner. Click the link in the description area to proceed to our website and start downloading Combo Cleaner. After downloading Combo Cleaner, proceed to the Download folder. Double-click on the file to start installing Combo Cleaner on your computer. During the initial setup, please run the installation procedure in the default settings. After completing the installation wizard, click Finish to launch the Combo Cleaner program. The tool will start updating the database. Please let it complete the download proceedings. This is necessary to scan and remove recent malware threats. Downloading and installing the updates may take a while. After updating the Combo Cleaner database, the tool will start with a scan to find any kind of threat that may be present on your computer. After the scan, Combo Cleaner will display the result as shown in the video. Click on the Remove All Threats button to start cleaning the computer. If you are presently subscribed, please enter the activation key. Otherwise, click the Buy Now button to proceed with the threat removal and start protecting your computer with this effective security program. To remove the malicious push notifications from the Google Chrome browser, please follow these steps. Open the Google Chrome browser. Click on the ellipses icon located on the upper right corner of the browser. Click Settings from the drop-down list. Once you are on the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security in the sidebar. Next, select Site Settings. Click the Notifications link to see all the websites that are allowed to use this feature. Scroll down to the Allowed to Send Notifications area. Next, find the malicious website and click on the More Actions button. You may select Block or Remove to stop the malicious website from displaying its push notifications. Please close the Google Chrome browser. You will not be able to see the push notifications again after restarting Google Chrome. To get rid of the push notifications from the Microsoft Edge browser, please follow these procedures. Open your Microsoft Edge browser. Click the ellipses icon on the upper right corner of the browser. Click Settings from the drop-down list. You will see all the settings options in the left sidebar. Please click on Cookies and Site Permission. Under the All Permissions area, click on the Notifications link. Scroll down to the Allow section to see the websites that are utilizing the notification. Select the malicious website and click on the More Actions link. You may block or remove the malicious site to stop it from sending disturbing push notifications. You may now close the Microsoft Edge browser. Please restart the browser to confirm that the malicious pop-up is gone. To be able to remove malicious push notifications from the Mozilla Firefox browser, please execute these steps. Open the Mozilla Firefox browser. Open the application menu by clicking on the upper right corner of the browser window. Select Settings from the list. Once the Preferences window opens, click on Privacy and Security in the sidebar. Scroll down to the Permissions area and then click the Notifications Settings link. Once the Notification Permission window is open, select the malicious website. Click the Remove Website button to stop it from showing push notifications. Lastly, click the Save Changes button, and you may now close the Mozilla Firefox browser. We hope you have solved the issue with this tutorial video. For more questions, click the link in the description and let us discuss the topic at the Malware Fixes website. Do not forget to hit the buttons and like this channel.